So we're here at 2760 Filer. We have done the foundation on this place already, and we're moving pretty fast on this one now with the framing. After all the roughings are done, we're gonna be working on inspections for structural, seat inspections, and deputy inspections. After those inspections, we're gonna jump and move to all the exterior finishes, and we still gotta work on soil exports, which is, as you can see, it's a hillside, so we gotta take care of that as well. We are on 1189 Crenshaw Boulevard in Los Angeles, and we're at another job site. So we're converting this garage into a brand new ADU. And also on top of the garage, there was an existing unit, and that unit, we're remodeling that unit at the same time, and we're extending that unit. As you can see, we got the plumbers working on the methane mitigation plan right now. So they're installing all the proper materials for this methane that we have to contain. We also work on the foundation, all the excavation. Underground plumbing has been done as well properly. Working on the retrofitting of the existing building, which is a 2-story building. And this one is gonna get extended. This will be the new property line. And as you can see, we're pretty much almost done with this one. So right now we're working on all the interior finishes. We have supervisors on site, we have subcontractors on site as well, and we got laborers on site working on different stages on construction. Kyle's concept and viewing, I think he's helping a lot of people trying to get their first home.